You got it that time. Well, if you're going to start somewhere, might as well be somewhere nice. It's that little bay at the moment. I'm going to go for a ride up the coast a little bit, across a rainforest mountain, and over to a spot and try and spot in the Maclay and try and catch a few fish if I can. Hopefully some flathead. But yeah, this is the starting point. It's not bad, eh? Ooh, all right, out of here. So make our way just up the coast a bit. A little bit of highway, unfortunately. And past the old Skippy. They're so relaxed here. Oh, kangaroos, plenty of them. Yeah, make our way up towards Yarrahapney, across the mountain and down to the coast, and yeah, so we can catch a few fish in there. The highway. Now it's a lot of back roads now. Quite well. This actually used to be the old highway, the Pacific Highway, and then yeah, a new one come along, and this is it. She's a back road now. So Yarrabini National Park. So the mountain range is called Yarrahapney, but the national park's Yarrabini. Yeah, so if you ever do any of these rides, or you're curious about where I go, I put a ride map in the description, which is just a link to Google Earth. Pretty well an identical route that I'll take. Yeah, whether it's something you do, whether it's you're up this way or you're just curious. Anyway, they're always there, so give you some ideas. Yeah, you don't have to go far from home to get into get away from the bloody hustle and bustle. Not that where I live's busy, but still nice to get away. Pretty sure this will go over the highway. Just look at this. Yep. People going to work, going places. Yeah, it's beautiful up here. So that's Yarrahapney in front. And we'll run across the top of that and get back down to the coast again. Yeah, you don't have to go far and it turns into forest. So we're not in the rainforest side of things at the moment. Just yeah, just Aussie scrub. Got to drop our way back down the mountain to Way Creek. I think it's the main sort of water system that runs through here. The junction. So we just come off Rosewood Road, which goes back to the highway. Up there is Tower Road to get to the lookout. We'll go there some other day. 3.5 and yeah, Way Creek straight ahead. So really well maintained road. It's just a nice run across the mountain back to the coast. Do it in a 2-wheel drive, no worries. Bit hilly on the other side, but nothing too sketchy. Alright, we'll keep cruising along, get back down to this rainforest. Going down. Crazy how quick it changes. Already into palms. I guess they're bungalow palms. Could be wrong. Probably am. These gullies are just furry with them. One of my favourite places close to home. Just absolute different world to where I've yeah, pretty well anywhere around here. Like, we've got a lot of bush, but a lot of it's that scrubby sort of just typical sort of Australian bush. So this is, I don't know how it looks dark to you guys, but it gets darker and darker. I'll pull up on one of the little creeks. We'll have a bit of a check out one of these little crossings. Need your high beam in here. So I might just have a quick look at one of these creeks. I'm pretty sure it's the same creek. It's Way Creek. Just check out the little world that is a rainforest, sort of a stream. I go for a bit of a wander. Bit of a walk down here. Don't know whether to go up or down. I won't go down. Definitely lush. Pretty sure there'll be a leech problem. I'll see if we can avoid them. But damn. So coming up a little bit, about 5 k's to get to back to the ocean again. Different trees straight away, big gum trees. Losing those palms pretty quick. Yeah, I love just how quick it changes. Get pretty amazing. Just come up about 100 meters and she's pretty different. Ooh, bumpy. Couple of days back, and I can see, yeah, I figured it was back burning, and you can tell just by how controlled it is. It's just there, occasional little bit over there, but yeah, sort of picked each side. Now they're on this side. It was hardly any wind and it was pretty cool, so I assumed it was a pretty good time to backburn. Anyway, still looking after the area, clearing out the weeds. You can certainly smell it, I can. Alright, out of here. Well, grass and trees, kind of high. Bit of a jungle, but should pop out the clearing soon. Oh, a bit more. That's better. Alright, over to Stewart's Point. Hey, nice little park, this one. By the looks of it, you can have a fire. I guess it'd be probably in the winter months, or when there's no fire bans. But yeah, here's a nice little spot. A few permanents by the looks of it, up the back there. Alright, it's food or a fish, I'm not sure which one yet. Pretty hungry, but I want to catch something, so we'll have to see how we go. So now we're at a place called Fisherman's Reach. There's a boat ramp up here, so I might try and have a bit of a fish around that. I think it's just here before the dirt. Walk these banks. Got out of the wind a bit, so yeah, very nice and quiet over this side. A few people down there. Cool, this will do, I think. Yep, you got it that time. I'll let him head his way back. He'll find his way back into the water. I've got one. Keep trying. That one's decent size, legal size, but might be a bigger one. So yeah, just gonna keep throwing. Couple more throws, then we'll yeah, call it quits, I think. Consider one a victory. Nah, it's been a pretty good day today. Bloody perfect weather. Finally got a feed. Starving. Probably get indigestion when I'm not hungry. But I'm here now, it's been good. Been out about. Rainforest to the headlands is so close, the gaps, you know, like literally 3-4 k's from the beach in the full jungle, so actually good, interesting sort of area. Probably could have just fished here. There's bloody looks fine just here. Anyway, yeah, if you like the videos, give us a thumbs up, always good, helps the old YouTube algorithm, and yeah, leave a comment, always good to have a yarn. So yeah, all right, I'm gonna finish this burger and I will catch us on the next one. Cheers.